Struggling to stay motivated on the weight loss journey? Well, you're not alone. The path to a healthier lifestyle is often a challenging one, filled with obstacles and setbacks. But one thing is certain: motivation plays a crucial role in this journey. It's the fuel that keeps us moving forward, that pushes us to make healthier choices, to lace up our running shoes even when we'd rather stay in bed. But how do we keep that motivation alive? How do we keep our eyes on the prize when the going gets tough? That's what we're here to explore today. We've scoured through science, sifted through success stories, and turned to the Bible for some divine inspiration. The result? We've compiled a list of the top 5 weight loss motivation hacks that actually work. So buckle up and prepare to be inspired. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 weight loss motivation hacks that actually work. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have setting realistic goals. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but it's surprising at how many people overlook this crucial step. Instead, they jump headfirst into their weight loss journey with overly ambitious targets. While there's nothing wrong with dreaming big, it's essential to keep our feet firmly planted on the ground. Think about it this way: if we set the bar too high and fail to reach it, what do you think happens? We become demotivated, disheartened, and more likely to give up on our weight loss journey entirely. On the other hand, setting achievable, realistic goals provides a concrete path towards success. When we reach these smaller milestones, we feel accomplished, motivated, and ready to tackle the next one. This concept is even echoed in the Bible. Proverbs 13:12 says, "Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but a longing fulfilled is a tree of life." This verse beautifully encapsulates the idea that unfulfilled desires can lead to disappointment and discouragement. But when we set goals that we can realistically achieve and our longings are fulfilled, it brings joy and vitality, much like a flourishing tree. So how do we set realistic goals? Start by breaking down the ultimate goal into smaller, more manageable parts. If the goal is to lose 50 pounds, don't expect to achieve this in a month. Instead, aim for a steady, healthy weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds a week. This approach is not only more achievable, but also healthier for your body. Remember, the journey to weight loss is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making consistent, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. And each small victory along the way brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. At number 4, we have finding a workout buddy. Now this might seem like a simple hack, but trust, it's a game changer. Picture this. It's early in the morning, the alarm clock is ringing, and you're nestled in your warm, comfy bed. You think of hitting the snooze button and skipping your workout, but then you remember, you have a workout buddy counting on you. Suddenly, the prospect of letting them down is much harder than getting out of bed. That's the power of accountability. Having a workout buddy isn't just about accountability, though. It's also about companionship. There's something to be said about the camaraderie that comes from shared experiences. You laugh together, you sweat together, you grow together. You're not just sharing a workout, but you're also sharing a journey. A journey towards better health, better fitness, and a better you. Studies have shown that having a workout partner can increase the amount of time spent exercising. In a study published in the Journal of Social Sciences, participants who exercised with a partner were more consistent and worked out for longer periods. That's the power of a shared commitment. And it's not just about the physical benefits. Having a workout buddy can also provide emotional support. You're there to pick each other up on off days, to celebrate the victories, big and small, and to keep each other motivated. Think of Ecclesiastes 4:9 and 10. It reads, "Two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up." A workout buddy is not just a friend. They're our cheerleader, our coach, our motivator. They share in our struggle and they share in our success. So go ahead, find that workout buddy. It could be a friend, a family member, or even a neighbor. Whoever it is, remember, you're not just working out together, you're building a community of wellness. Together we can achieve more. Coming in at number 3, we have visualizing success. Imagine climbing a mountain. The journey is strenuous, the path is rugged, and the peak seems miles away. But what if you could see the summit, the glorious view awaiting you? That's the power of visualization. It's not just about picturing the end goal, but feeling the exhilaration, the satisfaction of attaining what you've strived for. This is the power that visualization holds for our weight loss journey. Consider this. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools, capable of creating entire realities. When we visualize our success, we're not just daydreaming. We're training our minds to anticipate victory and to work towards it. Visualization is like a compass, guiding us towards our destination, even when the path seems daunting. In the realm of weight loss, visualization can be a potent motivator. Picture yourself healthier, stronger, more confident. Feel the thrill of fitting into that dress or suit you've been eyeing, or the pride of achieving a fitness milestone. Each image, each emotion you associate with your success, fuels your determination and commitment. The Bible, in Proverbs chapter 29, verse 18 says, "Where there is no vision, the people perish." This scripture illustrates the importance of having a clear image of what you want to achieve. It's not just about losing weight. It's about gaining health, confidence, and a sense of accomplishment. Visualizing your success is not about creating an illusion, but fostering inspiration. It's about harnessing your imagination to propel your actions. It's about painting a vivid picture of your success, so real, so attainable, that your mind believes in its reality and your body follows suit. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, and see your success. See yourself conquering the mountain, reaching the summit. Feel the wind on your face, the joy in your heart. That's your victory, that's your success. See it, believe it, and then achieve it. The number 2 hack is reward yourself. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't mean indulging in a double cheeseburger after every gym session. Rather, it's about acknowledging your effort and celebrating your progress. Weight loss is a journey, every step counts. When we achieve a small victory, say shedding those first 5 pounds or fitting into an old pair of jeans, a reward is in order. This could be something as simple as a relaxing bubble bath, a new book, or a day at the spa. It's these little rewards that can help motivate you to keep pushing, to keep striving towards your goals. Remember Proverbs 14, verse 14, "The backslider in heart will be filled with the fruit of his ways, and a good man will be filled with the fruit of his ways." So, go ahead. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Treat yourself for every milestone. You deserve it. And our number 1 hack is maintain a positive attitude. A positive mindset is the key that unlocks the door to weight loss success. It's the fuel that keeps the fire of motivation burning. It's the compass that guides you through the challenges, setbacks, and hurdles that stand between you and your goals. A positive attitude helps you view challenges not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones to success. It helps you stay focused on your journey, even when the scale isn't moving as quickly as you'd like, or sometimes, not even at all. It helps you celebrate every small victory, every ounce lost, every step taken towards a healthier lifestyle. In the Bible, Proverbs 17, verse 22 says, "A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." So, keep your spirit high, your heart cheerful, and your attitude positive. Remember, your weight loss journey is not just about losing pounds. It's about gaining a healthier, happier, more confident you. Your attitude determines your altitude. And there you have it, the top 5 weight loss motivation hacks. To recap, setting realistic goals provides a clear path forward. Partnering up with a workout buddy can make exercise more enjoyable and keep us accountable. Visualizing success helps you stay focused on the end goal. Rewarding yourself acknowledges the hard work and progress. And finally, maintaining a positive attitude keeps you resilient, especially during challenging times. Incorporating these hacks into our routine will see them make a difference in our weight loss journey. The Bible tells us in Philippians 4:13, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." Let this scripture empower you as you strive towards your health goals. Remember, your journey is unique to you. Embrace it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. We're all in this together. Until next time.